if we're going to copy an angle, we're going to follow the same process for regardless of what type of angle it is. So let's start with angle A here. I'm going to first draw one of the sides that I'm going to copy my angle down to. I'm going to put a point right here. We'll call this B. So this side in A is going to be this side in B. So now I'm going to take my compass and I'm going to make an arc that goes through both of the sides on A. Now it doesn't have to be some big arc, we just have to make sure it's big enough that it goes through the 2 points. So if I hit here and here, and I don't even necessarily have to fill that stuff in, it does go there. I'm going to then take that and do the same thing down here on B and just make it big enough so I know it covers it. So now I have this arc here on A and this same arc on B. They're really arcs the same radius. What I have to do now is I'm going to take it and measure the distance between these. So it's that far on A. I'm going to measure that down on B, and it goes that far. Because what we need to figure out is how much that side needs to open. So we copy it down. Now we can draw another side through that. And I can say that angle A is congruent to angle B. Now let's come over here and look at angle C. Now this was an obtuse angle this time. It's going to follow the same process. I need to pick a side to start with. I'm going to draw an arc that goes through C and hits both sides. And then I'm going to come down to my new angle and make that arc. That one pretty much has to be solid all the way through because I don't know how far I need to go. So it's in both of them. Now I go back up to my original angle and I measure how far apart it is from A to C, or from the two sides on C. And down here it goes to right there. So my intersection point, like a little X, is that point. And now I can connect them to make my second side of my angle. We'll call this angle D, and we can say that angle C is congruent to angle